So this is the line that I have to wait in to get into the grocery store before I can even get food in the back of the line. But hopefully I'll be able to get in soon. Probably don't like that some foreigners trying to take some of their food, but I gotta eat too. Sorry guys. Okay. So there's some more of the traffic and stuff. There's some strawberries. This place doesn't look that empty. My host mom said it was really like there was nothing left. There's actually tons of food left. I mean, if you want to eat it. And some basic supplies are gone. Obviously, like I'm sure there's no more rice left. Tofu's probably gone. I'm basically here for instant food and strawberries apparently. I don't know, I got strawberries. This looks good. And they're on sale right now because it's strawberry season in Japan for no price.